All right, how's it going, tycoons? For today's video, we are going to be looking at ticker symbol SOFI, SoFi, baby, go high. All right, so enough cheesy rhymes. Let's get right into it. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a stock analysis, and I really like SoFi. I think that they're, potentially, a really good long-term investment. It's just about what price you get them at. Okay. So on the weekly chart, I have some basic things drawn up here for you guys so you can try to see and understand what the chart is reading to you. These red lines are a channel. Okay, so right now we're trading sideways. We're in a sideways channel. That's what's known as box consolidation. Okay, so you see we hit the bottom of the channel, we come up, we hit the top of the channel, we go down, we hit the bottom of the channel, we come up, we hit the top, and we're already going down. Okay, so just keep that in mind that this is where most of Sofi's trading activity has been happening since the stock IPO'd. All right, is right in between this $15, $14 mark and $23 mark. Okay, right now we have a textbook cup. Okay, so this right here is a beautiful cup. Okay, the base of the cup is right here at the top of the channel, and we came right up here to the top of the channel. And if we pull back, okay, that's what this red channel is going to be. This red channel is going to be whenever I graph a cup and handle. Okay, what you can do is you can have like something like this, maybe, if you want, like, all right, like this is your handle space, right? So you can expect to see the stock trade in between this little area and this little handle, and then we would have boop, boop. That would be a nice cup and handle. Okay. Or you can do what I like to do is I like to draw a channel. Okay, and I like to look for it to break above the channel and open and close above the channel and confirm my breakout for my cup and handle pattern. Okay, this white line is going to be the exact middle of this bit of this sideways channel. Okay, so this just lets you know when you're on the top half of it, you're in bullish territory, and you're in the bottom half, you're in bearish. Okay, so you get below here, we're going to hit the bottom of the channel. We get above here, we're probably going to hit the top of the channel. Okay, that's just historically what it's been doing. All right, so we're going to zoom in a little bit more to the daily chart. Okay, and on the daily chart, we can see our channel. Okay, our red lines, our channel, and then like the halfway marker, right around the halfway marker of the channel. We have a daily gap down to fill, okay, at 16.60. All right, so the stock is currently at $20. If we break below this channel right here, okay, and then we break below this support of 19.1, we are going to head down and fill this gap at 16. Okay, now if we stay within this channel, okay, we could still fall. Okay, we could still fall, stay within this channel, trade sideways, okay, and then bounce off of our 19.1, catch our strong support here, and then later recover, okay, and then break out of our cup and handle. And then if we break out of the cup and handle, that would be a bullish pattern that could lead us to break out of this channel. And it does, break out of the channel periodically. Okay, but Sofi's down pretty big. It was just recently at $24, and now it's at $20. So it is a nice significant drop. What happened is it had this daily gap to fill, and just like this one, it has left to fill. Okay, so it gapped up on this day, created this daily gap, and it fell down into this gap and filled it. So gaps tend to fill about 90 to 95% of the time on daily charts. It's just a matter of when. Okay, it could take a week, it could take a day, it could take a year. Okay, in this case, this gap filled within a matter of days. All right, this gap may fill in the near future if we break below this support level and we break below this channel, okay, on our daily chart. So I'm going to dive a little bit, zoom in a little bit more and show you guys the 1 hour chart and kind of just break down the recent price action of the stock. So as I said, it just hit highs above 24. All right, and then it fell pretty hard. Okay, it had earnings recently. All right, it was falling the day leading into earnings, and then its earnings report came out, went up big, went down, and then ended up opening up pretty high, wicking up to 24.65, trying to reclaim that, and then just falling ever since. What we had, the reason that you could have seen that this was going to be a fall in the price soon, is because there was some big bearish divergence on the 1 hour chart. So bearish divergence is when the stock goes up, makes a new high, All right, but the RSI, as you can see, clearly went down, all right, and made a new low at this new high up here. Okay, so as a result of that, all right, I have this trend line right here for up from the 24.65 down to the lows. That bearish divergence led us into a negative 18% drop. All right, so about a 20% drop in the stock price. We currently have two short-term bullish divergences going on. Bullish divergence, okay, is a sign that the stock may go up or go bullish based on the price level of the stock and the RSI. So the price level of the stock has gone down. We have a low here and then a lower low here to our most recent lows, okay, or most recent price of the stock. But if you look at this level, okay, the RSI has gone up, all right, low here and then higher low right here, okay, so that's some bullish divergence. And if we zoom in even a little bit more, we can see that we had a low here, all right, the stock fell after hours in pre-market and then recovered, okay, so we made the low here, so higher low here, higher low on the RSI, low here, lower low on the stock price. And let's see, that resulted in a 5.81% stock price jump, okay, from the bottom of that bullish divergence. All right, so with that being said, if you are bullish and you do think Sofi can go higher, all right, what you can do is you can extend this drawing to the right, okay, and you can draw a little oval near where the stock where the RSI currently is, down to, you know, extend it a little bit like this, and this can be your bounce zone, okay, for where the RSI may bounce off of the bullish divergence. And as you see, off of this initial bullish divergence bounce, it popped up about 5.81%. So be on the lookout for that. There could be a nice short-term pop. This is the 1 hour chart, so I wouldn't expect you know, 1 hour bullish divergence to carry the stock into bullishness for like a week or so. All right, it's more so going to affect it on the 1 hour chart. And then you would have to look back at the daily chart and the weekly chart at the drawings that I just showed you guys and look there and see what the price action is doing. Okay, so keep an eye on the 1 hour chart for a bounce off the bullish divergence to keep us bullish. And then on the weekly chart, okay, keep an eye out for this nice cup and handle pattern. All right, this is a very beautiful cup. All right, nice cup. And if we get our handle and we have a breakout, then Sofi would go up to here. It would go, this is what you would do. You would draw a line from the bottom of the cup to the top. You would duplicate that drawing, okay? And then you would extend it right here to the base of your handle, okay? So let's say that the stock falls to here in the next few days and finds support, breaks through, then it would take us up to this level here around $28, okay? Now, if it comes all the way down here and then bounces right around this gap, let's say it like fills this gap, okay, and then it goes on its bullish run, all right, then we can see it reach up to about 25, okay? So those are the price levels I like for Sofi if you're bullish, all right, 25, 28 with a breakout of the cup and handle on a weekly chart. You know, there's some short-term bullish divergence that we could bounce off of, but you know, historically, what this has done whenever it's reached the top of the channel has come back down to the bottom of the channel, and we have a nice daily gap right here at 16.6 to fill. So be wary that Sofi could drop to 16 and then possibly 14 or 15 in the near future. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you like this analysis, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also you can join the Discord and use code Zachly, like the channel name ZachlyTrades, and get yourself a discount on the membership. The link to join will be in the description below.